Okay guys, this is my 2008 Harley Edition F250, and I'm doing this video because I see a lot of videos of people that do or take the turbos out, do the cab on. However, I have yet to see anybody who does this without, I don't know if you can see it, cutting that crossover pipe right there for the most part and still get it off. Either they've been deleted or something else is going on. But I'm here to tell you, and by the way, I've kept both filter housings in place. So I'm here to tell you that you can do it. It's a pain in the butt, but you can definitely do it. Luckily I still have my skin, but I'll show you the assortment of tools I used, and it's crazy. I kept everything off the best way that I could. I heated up where I could. And to be honest, this is probably the toughest job I've done. But what I can tell you works best is if you can see that large swivel handle breaker bar with a wobbly head extension. That's the best thing to use to get those for the up pipe connected to the turbo. That's the best thing to use to get back of those, with a long wobbly head extension. You're still gonna be cussing and cursing, but you can do it. So hopefully, now that I've got these out, I'm gonna do a billet wheel upgrade, and this is what happened to it for the reason. I'm jumping around a little bit. Let me just show you. It started whining really bad, and then I noticed a loss of boost. So I said, well, it's time to take them out and get the rebuild kit. And obviously, what happened? And obviously, I'm not taking it to a dealer or a shop, because for any of you guys that do diesels, especially these 6.4s, you know that it's an arm and a leg for people to do this, because most everybody wants to lift the cab on these things, which would make it a lot easier. But as you can see, I have my sprint car in here. My wing, I don't really have room for a lift, so I just had to kind of wing it and do the best I could. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys, let you guys know what's going on. You just have to be extremely careful lifting that out. I didn't use chain falls or anything, or an engine hoist. I just bared it up and did the best I could. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be doing a lot more videos, but it's going to be mainly with that girl right there, 5.3 LS, 625 horse on methanol. So there's going to be a lot more coming. Peace, guys.